Hello, welcome to Voice Automated Workflows in 90 Days, presented by AccuSpeechMobile. We're joined today by Bob Bova, the President and CEO of AccuSpeechMobile. Welcome, Bob.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
Well, let's start with the first question. Why select voice automation now to automate processes in the distribution center or warehouse?
And now being the operative word, there's a lot of great technology right now that professionals are reviewing to try to keep up with the unprecedented demand, especially with e-commerce. That they need more productivity from their existing workforce. And again, just an unprecedented amount of SKUs and product being pushed through the warehouse. So voice automation is particularly compelling because within 90 days, you can have a fully operational in production voice automated solution that's going to help train your workers faster, make them more productive, reduce the errors, and also it becomes a very, very cost effective solution with very low disruption in your current operation. So the cost of business, when you do a cost of business analysis about it versus other technologies, with how quickly you can actually implement it, it's really a substantial solution that can be put in today that can really deliver benefits within 90 days.
Excellent. Thank you for that overview, Bob. So let's talk about how you can apply the technology. Which processes in the DC can benefit from voice automation?
Historically, voice picking has been the optimal solution to optimize with voice, to automate with voice, I should say. The picking applications can be all different types. It could be piece picking, it could be case picking, any type of picking that that your particular company is using in the warehouse, but it's not limited to that either. The cycle count, shipping, receiving, any type of an application where we can add voice automation to pick up productivity and improve accuracy and worker safety are excellent prospects. And once we see how well you've optimized your processes and workflows, which most of our companies have spent an awful lot of time doing, that there is a terrific opportunity across the warehouse to pick up significant ranges of productivity, anywhere between 5 and 35%, a significant reduction of errors depending upon exactly what type of processes we are voice enabling. And it does allow the users to keep their eyes on what they're doing. So it makes them safer, and everything, again, gets significantly automated because the applications have already been optimized internally. So there's a lot of opportunity within the warehouse in terms of processes that can benefit from voice automation.
Excellent. Well, tell us a little bit more about the technology. What is voice automation from AccuSpeechMobile's point of view?
The device-based model of voice automation is a technology that is all installed on the mobile device. The reason that that's important is because it exploits all the multimodal capability of today's devices. There is no need for any middleware anymore, no need for any server anymore. And this type of a technology supports a terminal emulation environment, industrial browser environment, a thick client environment, anything that our customers are using on that device. Another real benefit is that it supports Microsoft operating systems, Android operating systems, and Apple iOS operating systems. So it's a terrific strategy for migrating from older technology like Microsoft-based devices to newer technology, Android-based devices. So it's an opportunity to deploy a solution quickly, and also one device at a time, multiple devices at a time, again, because it is device-based. Taking advantage of the barcode scanners, anything else that are on those devices allows for the multimodality benefit to be enjoyed by all of our customers. And the flexibility of deployment makes a big difference, specifically when it comes to what type of warehouse management system you may have. You may have a homegrown WMS, or you may have a new WCS. It is absolutely agnostic to what that WMS is. It can be deployed still within 90 days and integrated without any middleware or server needed whatsoever. So it's extremely flexible and, again, quick to deploy.
Excellent. So what can you expect in the first 90 days if you are a prospective customer looking at this technology?
Our standard schedule, it looks like this. The customer decides that this is a potential solution for them. We come on site or even remotely and do a proof of concept where we plug into our customers' systems and solutions. We show them exactly how the device-based capability works. We present automation scenarios where we skip screens or hit buttons in the background or open additional sessions and show really what the art of the possible is. Then, if we feel it's a good fit, we put together a statement of work. We start immediately with mapping and matching. We go on site. Then within 30 to 45 days, the project is pretty well built. Then we start doing user acceptance testing with users on site. We get their input. We do 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 at a time so that people are comfortable and familiar. And then within the third month, we start rolling out into production. And we take feedback from that, make changes if they're necessary. But within 90 days, there is a boost in productivity. People get comfortable with the technology. And all of a sudden, they're rolling, eyes free, hands free, speaking with voice, exploiting the automation capabilities that AccuSpeechMobile can provide. And there is a measurable metric in terms of what you see in terms of productivity increases.
Excellent. So, and our last question today for this brief recorded event is, can you tell us about the ROI for adding voice?
This is an important question. The fact is that while we can provide an immediate 90-day voice automation solution, we can also provide, quite frankly, an ROI calculator that can give you a measurable metric for the changes before and after. And that becomes very important because many times our customers are evolving from Windows to Android. Do I make that hardware investment now? Our calculator shows a very, very distinct return on investment. If you add hardware, if you don't add hardware, if you get 12%, 15%, just with software, all of that capability, all of that measurable metrics are available for our customers to look at, to show to their management so that they know exactly what the benefits are going to be. And if they should add hardware or not add hardware, they can make very, very informed decisions. Most of our customers see a return on investment software only of 10 months or less. When adding all new hardware devices, depending upon what the rate of productivity increase and accuracy increase is, it can, depending upon how many users and how much new hardware it is. But there is always a way to measure it and see it and have it be reasonable for just about any budget, for just about any customer.
Excellent. And that ROI calculator information, where did we get that information from?
Our ROI calculator has been built over the last few years with input from our customers, what aspects of that calculator were important to them, what they felt that they had to actually prove to the upper management that the benefits would be. So we continually take what we have in terms of input for that calculator so that we try to put everything in there that we think the customers are going to need to make an informed decision about building a solution.
Excellent. And to wrap it up here, how can people learn more if they're interested in taking a next step?
They can certainly go to our website and also schedule a demonstration. If after a conversation that a proof of concept is important to them, or if it's something that they want to see so that they could understand what automation looks like and what a potential deployment would be like, we're happy to do that. But what we're trying to do is show you, as you ask us questions and we learn about what you need, you can, really tell us what it is you want to accomplish. You can look at what our other customers have said, but reach out to us, call us, and we'd be happy to set something up to find out what your specific scenario is and what your challenges are, and to see if we can help.
Wonderful. So it is really possible to deploy voice automation within 90 days.
Absolutely. And you'll see benefits too.
Thank you very much for joining us, and thank you, Bob Bova. Have a
My
great
pleasure.
day.
Thank you.